Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, find the toggle for it, which for me it's on the second page right over here. Now once you find it, you want to hold the toggle. This will take you to the settings where you can customize a little bit how it works. So we have exceptions right here for calls, messages, and conversations. Now briefly going over this, calls and messages has basically the same options, so everyone, contacts, favorites, and no one, with the difference for calls having this toggle right here for repeated callers. So if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, they will be able to completely bypass whatever it is set to right here. Now going below that, we have also alarms and sounds, so just what kind of sounds come out of the device during the Not Disturb mode, and what kind of below that, what kind of apps can give you notifications, and also hide notifications option. And then if we go back up, we have the schedule, which will allow you to simply set up a schedule so the Do Not Disturb mode turns on and off automatically at a given time and day of the week. Now you can create your own or simply turn on the one that exists right here by default. It's completely up to you. And then also lastly, we have for how long, and this is basically a window that you can select a couple different options. You have until turn off, which is the default for 1 hour, or by tapping additional you can set it to a specific amount of hours, or ask every time, which is probably the best option. So when you select this one and you tap on that toggle, it will bring up this window every single time. So this gives you a little bit more control over it. And now that's basically all you need to do. When you want to enable it, simply tap on it and select which one you want, turn on, and there we go. We have now turned on Do Not Disturb mode. And if you set up the schedule, then, well, you don't really have to do anything extra. It will turn on and off automatically. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.